How to add electronic effect to your voice audio on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. This is the home page. Now upload a new video from here or just choose from your drafts. I'm gonna choose this one. I already have this draft. Now all what you have to do is click on your audio the first time and click on it the second time, like this. 2 times click on it. Now after you click on your audio 2 times, it will take you to this page. Click on voice effects right here, and now as you can see, after you click on voice effects, it will take you to this page. Swipe right until you find electronic effect right here. Click on it and click save from here. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.